Find your water main shutoff valve. The first thing you need to do is find your water meter. It's the main water shutoff valve is usually close to it. Now where the meter is located can vary. In colder regions where the pipes could freeze in the winter, the water line usually enters through the floor of the foundation. Locate the line entering your home, follow that line and you'll find the water meter, keep following it and you'll see the shutoff valve. In warmer climates, shutoff valve is likely just outside the house and near outside faucet. Your valve looks like this, congratulations, Custos can be installed. If you have a valve like this, then we are sorry that Custos is not compatible. You may consider add a ball valve in your water line so you can install Custos. Let's start installing the Custos Ball Valve Servo. Please turn the handle of your valve to the close position, like this. Now, turn those 2 thumb screws on the clamp counterclockwise to make bigger opening. Align 2 thumb screws and the opening of the middle transmission fork on the same side of the valve handle. Align the pivot of the middle transmission fork to the hex nut on top of the valve center. Now push down in this way so the clamps can grip the pipe, then tighten 2 thumb screws. If you find the transmission fork blocking you from pushing it down, just twist the handle a little to allow the engaged mechanic slide in properly. If you have an extra wide valve, or a pipe configuration with an elbow joint or any obstacle that blocks or limits the clamp from installing on the pipe, you can slide either clamps in or out to avoid that obstacle. The clamp is attached to the joint tightly, but there is a way you can make this adjustment much easier. As you can see, the clamp is tightly coupled. This requires some force to slide it, so instead of forcing it loose, you can first tighten up the thumb screws and close the 2 clamps. Like this. Now the clamp is becoming very loose for you to adjust its position. When you have the desired position set, turn the thumb screw counterclockwise to open the clamp again. The clamp will now lock in the position itself and ready for install. Here are some examples of the different configurations Custos can accommodate after making the adjustments to the clamps.